Trust isn't rebuilt with better messaging. It's rebuilt with honesty. Have you noticed that when people get angry, governments respond with slogans, technical language, carefully managed statements, or moral lectures? But there's very little honesty. This is how trust erodes. People don't feel heard, they feel managed. And when lived experience clashes with official messaging, people just stop listening. Not because they're ignorant, but because they feel disrespected. Trust isn't rebuilt with better messaging. It's rebuilt with honesty. Even when the truth is uncomfortable, people don't want to be lied to. Democracy doesn't just fail overnight. It erodes slowly when people feel talked down to. You don't need perfect leaders. You just need adults that are willing to speak plainly.